And today I'm going to do a really simple dish, which is oven-baked catfish. You can't get any more simple than an oven-baked fish. And I love a good catfish, and it's usually fried catfish, but today we're going to do a twist, a healthier version, and make it oven-baked. So let's get started. So first things first, we are going to season our catfish with a little bit of salt, sea salt, a little bit of pepper. This is like such a simple dish and so tasty and so healthy. And don't get me wrong, I love me some fried catfish, but honestly, we can all eat a little healthier. And this is a healthier version, but it still packs a punch with great seasoning, okay? And then we're gonna do paprika. You could do smoked paprika, whatever kind of paprika you have. I have Spanish, so I'm just trying something a little different. Whatever you have, use. Okay. It's all about the seasoning, you know? At Allie in the Valley, it's all about the seasoning and how to get a meal on the table quickly. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of chipotle. You don't have to, but I am. You gotta kick it up a notch. Not too much. I don't wanna over season anything. Okay, and then I am gonna do just a couple things of butter to give it that butter taste. You know, I love me a little butter every now and then. I don't cook with butter all the time, but hey, you know what? We're already making it like low fat, easy, not fried, so let's put a little damn butter in it. All right, little pieces of butter on each of them, so they can suck up all that butter juices. Yeah. Then we're gonna put a little lime and a little herbs and a little wine, and that's all it is. And then it goes into the oven for 20 minutes. You cannot get any simpler than this recipe, okay? So what do we do at Allie in the Valley? We keep it simple, stupid. That's what we do. If I can do it, you can do it. I always say that. Okay, so let's chop up some parsley right quick. I hope everybody's staying safe out there, wearing their mask. It's still going on. We're still in the middle of all this craziness. But hey, if you're above ground right now and you're healthy, you're doing really, really well. So it's about eating healthy, feeding your family healthy food, and staying healthy out in the world, because it's just a different world. We've just changed. Things have changed, and we have to change with it. That's the whole thing about being humans or any kind of creature, is you got to learn how to adapt and overcome. And everybody has problems, and so I'm going to cut some chives now. Why I'm philosophizing, but everybody has their own issues and problems and family issues. I just believe that you got to keep moving and, you know, just keep moving. So I have this saying that I always say, if you follow me on Instagram, when in hell, keep moving. And then one day you look up and you are in sunshine. So right now with everything that's going on in the world, we just got to keep moving, do self-care, eat healthy, get some sleep, spend time with your loved ones, and be thankful that you're still doing extremely well. And that's all you can ask for right now, and prepare, because this too shall overcome. I'm old enough to tell you that all that we're going through will be behind us at some point. Maybe not soon enough, but you know. Okay, now we're gonna do green onions everywhere with a little parsley still mixed up in it. We're gonna take some lime, juice of a lime. I mean, you can't get any simpler than this dish, this fish, catfish. And you know, sometimes catfish, you know, they kind of get a bad name. They're like bottom feeders, but I love me some good catfish. That's a southern thing. We like catfish. Okay, they might be bottom feeders, but guess what? They taste good. Okay, and then I'm gonna do a little white wine, dry white wine, whatever you have, just a little bit to drizzle over it. And then this is gonna go, look at this beautiful dish. Now, when you have friends come over, you want a quick, healthy dish for friends or any colleagues come over, throw this in the oven for 20 minutes. You can have it over rice, you can do a salad, you can do a potato. Super easy. Let's go to the stove and put it in the oven. Doesn't this look beautiful? It really does. And it smells, you know what I say about smell TV? I wish I had smell TV. So I baked the catfish for about 20 minutes. And you know, I have my salt, my pepper, my paprika, some onions, some parsley, white wine, and a little butter. Easy, perfect, great party recipe if you have people over and you want to make something quickly and forget about it while you're having a glass of wine like I'm about to have. All right, now let's get to the taste test. Yes, yes, yes. It smells so good. It smells healthy, but good at the same time. And see how the fish just flakes like that? That means it's completely done. And let's not burn my mouth like I normally do. That's good, really good. Really good. Tasty, flaky, hot. You know where to get the recipe, AllieInTheValley.com. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to follow all my social media handles. I'll see you on the next Allie in the Valley. So good.